Hello, how you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Doors. Today we're going to show you two 8x6'9" Horman 3200 cottage with exterior wrought iron hardware with top cross windows, single pane. And this is the cottage design, so it's the long raised panel with the grid in there. You got the nice wrought iron hardware with the black screws. Got the nice handles there, weather strip to match. And these are two 8x6'9". These are the 3200. They are the 2-inch thick dual-sided steel insulated doors with an 8.7 R value. Okay, they have our textbook 11-gauge hardware, 11-ball nylon skirted wheel, heavy top fixture, dual spring. We're going to show you here the tilter of this garage. This garage is tilted. You can see down there, and then look at it as it goes up. Oh my! This door here took just about the whole afternoon to installing it just right because of the way this garage is out of kilter. You can see how bad that is. But everything worked great. Angle mount, strut on top, lock nut, two LDC 0800s to complement it. Photo eyes. Over here we got the brackets, or excuse me, the push buttons. Everything's great. This job turned out smooth. It took all day, but we got it done. We got it done right. Oh, one more thing. These are pinch resistant doors, and you do get the 3.5-inch bottom rubber. You can see here, you will not pinch your fingers in here, which I absolutely love. For your garage door needs, call Innovative Doors 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, and we'll like you. Thank you for watching our video, and as always I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you very much for watching our video.